What makes a community? It's people coming together to lift each other up, even when they can't see one another. It's neighbors leaving notes on doorsteps to offer help and support.
I think community and communication are the two most important things that we can be doing.
It's customers buying gift cards they have no idea when they'll be able to use, because they can't bear to see their local pizza joint or hair salon or dog groomer struggle.
Things are slow for everybody right now, and I feel like just getting in touch with old clients and seeing where they're at and seeing what I can do to help.
Because small businesses are the soul of every community across the globe and connect us to something bigger than ourselves. They're not just businesses, they're our businesses.
As small business owners, we have to be really creative.
It is a practice in patience, discernment, and creativity.
Now more than ever, it's up to all of us to keep them going. Whether it's shopping online, buying gift cards, 5-starring our favorites, the community we support now will be the one opening its doors when the fog has lifted. Because they're not just businesses, they're our businesses.